Well, brothers and sisters, it seems only right that on this Saturday night that we would be in this place to finally get the record straight. Our ancestors have given us the right to sing the praises of one Cress Welsing. She told the story, the melanin story she told that made us know that we were so bad, so black, and so bold. Praises be to Cress Welsing. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am thrilled to be here at the 4th Annual Melanin Conference. I hope my eyes don't look too tired. I was in New Orleans before, but here I am. I feel that the ancestors have been invoked this evening, and I feel that they have given me the charge, and they continue to give me the charge to recruit for the Army of Justice, to recruit males and females and males that are going to take their melanin selves and lead this army that is going to end the greatest injustice that has ever been on the planet Earth, and that is the injustice of racism and the injustice of white supremacy. An injustice that I maintain began because some people had the misfortune not to have melanin. I was going to entitle my remarks, "The Gold Mine of Melanin." There is a gold mine in melanin, but we have a problem that we have to solve before there can be the full expression of the power of melanin. And recently, I've got my board up here so I can go to work. Recently, I have begun to think about our task in terms of a pyramid. And really, we can call this army of justice. We can really begin to call ourselves the pyramid builders. And at the top of this pyramid, we have justice. And we've got this eye at the top of the pyramid. And we can talk about that in a little while. But I